Introducing the brand new DEEBOT X11 with OmniCyclone Station. Equipped with the industry's first PowerBoost Technology, X11 triggers instant battery recharge with every mop wash, restores 6% in 3 minutes, and delivers the first truly robotic perpetual run. OZMO ROLLER 2.0, now upgraded with high-density nylon mop and instant self-washing, effortlessly removes every stubborn stain. The new generation of TruEdge extends the roller 1.5 centimeters outward. Innovative air cushion structure ensures 100% edge-to-edge cleaning, leaving no blind spots behind. Blast vacuuming solution unleashes maximized airflow and hypersuction power, taking cleaning performance further ahead. With the first ever TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing system, X11 redefines obstacle crossing, securing a 100% flawless crossover rate. The all-new Agent Eco integrates a large language model for the first time, making your cleaning start in ease, use in ease. And with the industry-leading OmniCyclone Station, the extraordinary begins. More innovations ahead of the market. Exceptional experience beyond imagination. DEEBOT X11, extra in every way, ahead in every play. 2025 Grand Launch.